के चिल्लाते रह गए, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं आया, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं आया।
India reported the highest number of deaths with COVID-19 over a 24-hour period.
India, the COVID crisis is being called an apocalypse.
The country has become the first in the world to record more than 400,000 coronavirus infections. That's in just one day.
India's situation is dire. The shortages are crippling, the numbers devastating. India sets a daily world record on new infection.
बहुत समस्या है भारत देश में और परमपिता परमात्मा सबकी रक्षा करे। जो गए हैं यहाँ से इस लोक से, भगवान उनको अपने चरणों में निवास दे और उनके परिवार वालों को ये कहर भारत देश से चला जाए। ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है हमारी।
Good evening to everybody. We are now facing the second wave of the pandemic, which is now at its peak stage. And at this hour of crisis, everybody is thinking about how to survive not only for themselves but for their dear ones. Today we are going to discuss about the oxygen level, which is the main thing of the second pandemic. In every cases, the oxygen saturation level is decreasing after 7 to 8 days of sufferings. During the first pandemic, we are not knowing about the oxygen saturation level, but during this pandemic, everybody is purchasing an oximeter, which is used in recording the SpO2, saturated percentage of oxygen level in the bloodstream. So today we will discuss about this, how to use it, what is oximeter, and whether it is to be kept in every household or not. So now we will unbox this pulse oximeter, which is available in market. Previously it was available at plenty, but this time the availability is at stake. People are buying frequently. And for that reason, the rate has already been increased manifold. We have also purchased one oximeter, which looks like a clip-like structure. And what is to be done? This oximeter will record the percentage of SpO2 from your bloodstream. And the procedure of measurement is like this. First, you have to put the battery, two numbers pencil battery inside it. And after that, this clip-like structure, you have to put your finger fully up to your nail, the middle finger or any finger. Either you can put the middle finger or the earlobe, and after putting the finger completely inside it, then you switch on the pulse oximeter by keeping at rest position for a few minutes. And gradually the SpO2 level will be recorded along with the heartbeat. Now my SpO2 recording is 98 and heartbeat is 76, 77, it is fluctuating. So you keep it for 2 to 3 minutes to record a constant level of SpO2 in your mini oximeter. And during this pandemic period, you have to record it 3 times so that you can ascertain that your oxygen level is at perfect level. And if somebody is suffering from COVID mild symptom, that time it will be helpful in recording it. And whenever the record falls below 94, then you have to consult a doctor, and according to his advice you have to admit to the hospital. But the thing is that how the oximeter records the SpO2 level. This oximeter has a light inside it, and when the light falls on the blood vessels, it becomes the hemoglobin present in the blood vessels, which absorb the oxygen from the alveoles of lungs, is red in color, and the red color is detected by the sensor of this oximeter, and accordingly it give a value in percentage, and it will record between 95 to 100, which is absolute level, and below 95 there is a danger mark, and whether you have to do some exercise or not, it it will be ascertained from this oximeter. Whenever the oximeter records 95 and below, or whether it is 95 and above, you can yourself feel whether your oxygen level is at perfect level or not. You have to do two things. First, you do breathing exercise like Anulom Vilom, or you take oxygen and keep it inside your lungs for minimum 30 to 40 seconds. If you can keep the air inside your lungs for 30 to 40 seconds, then your lungs capacity is okay. Your lungs is working perfectly. If you do it more frequently, then either it will increase or decrease within 5 seconds, then it's okay. Second thing is, you walk 6 minutes. Before walking 6 minutes, you measure the oxygen level at the oximeter. Suppose it is 98. Then after walking of 6 minutes, if it is 97, 98, then it is okay. If it falls 4% below, then there is a problem. So from that reading, you can know whether your oxygen level is perfect or not. So during this pandemic period, everybody is having that small COVID instrument in their home in order to ascertain their oxygen level, and I hope everybody will be having the same experience in their home, and in the days to come they have to take care of themselves and their dear ones by keeping themselves indoors, and whenever they go outside they have to wear masks, which is the Sanjeevani of the COVID pandemic, and sanitization and avoiding crowded area. Either these three things, three mantras you have to obey, then only you can survive, and not only you survive yourself but to others also. Thank you.